Yeah, enough with the lousy sales. What I decided to do was start aggressively listing 100 items every day. This started back on the 10th of September, I believe it was, so a little over 2 weeks ago as I record this video. In the interim, I've been able to regain a good portion of the sales on a daily basis anyway that I wasn't receiving prior to that date. August was particularly miserable for me, so after a conversation on one of the Jiminy Flip It Live chat shows or listing shows, I forgot which one it was, I just made the decision to go ahead and make sure I list 100 items every day. It's been mostly print ad related, which is a good thing for a lot of the folks that follow my channel. You guys all seem to enjoy the print ad thing, as I do. Kind of built the channel on that. So with that said, the 100 items a day have yielded some good results, and I'd like to share a few of those with you right now. First up, we're going to take a look at this ad that sold, as you see right there, $40. This is an ad from 1906. It's an old magazine for the Lackawanna Railroad. Good Meals on Wheels. It references a trip to New York and Buffalo, which is kind of one and the same, but I guess I mean New York City to Buffalo City. Tremendous sale here, $40. This ad is 8 by 5 inches. It represents about a quarter of a page from this magazine, which is 16 by 11 and a half. So fantastic sale here, $40 on this one. This is one of the brand new listings I did in this last couple of weeks, so it's great to see that one sell. All right, next up, another railroad ad from 1906 from the same magazine, as a matter of fact. This one is for the Santa Fe Railroad from California. Sold this one, took a best offer of $25, had it up for $30, $25. This is a very small ad. This one measures 4 inches wide, 3 inches tall, $30. Next up, from the same magazine in 1906, this one is an 8 by 5 inch ad, sold for $15. It's for Horlicks malted milk. I have a bunch of these ads, same ad, but what distinguished this one from the other ones is that pink tinting that you can see there. Very nice. Sold this one $15. Here's a really nice sale. This is from 1923. This is a full pager. It's a 16 by 11 inch for Coca-Cola and Christmas time. Sold this one for $30 plus shipping. Beautiful ad. Coca-Cola obviously being a gigantic company and a very well-known and collected company, so you do well to get your Coca-Cola ads up. $30 on this one. All right, and up to 1931 we go for this ad. This is an 8.5 by 11. It's actually able to be scanned. If you have a duplex scanner, you could put it in there safely. Great ad here, and what's really unique about this one, it's hard to see on the scan, but it has like a foil background sort of, and I did put that word Art Deco in there, thanks to all of you who recommended doing that on the listing show. Sold this one for $25, Cadillac 1931. All right, to 1920 we go. This one is for Pillsbury pancake flour. You can see a housewife there making some breakfast, fixing some flapjacks, as they say in the South. 1920, this one I took a best offer of $14.99 plus shipping. And to 1924 we go. This one is for the Victrola talking machine vis-a-vis a phonograph from back in the mid-20s. This one has mentions Rachmaninoff, and I can't believe I think I pronounced that correctly, by the way. But I sold this one full price, $17.59. I had a sale going at the time, plus shipping on this one. And this one is a full page ad. Who doesn't love Halloween? All the way up to 1966 for this 2-page ad. You can see it sold for $25 for Brock's Candy. You have the Lady and the Witch outfit and all the candies being presented below. Great sale here, 2-pager, $25. To 1932 we go. This is another 8.5 by 11, able to scan on a duplex scanner if you have one. This is for Colgate, and it's what they call dental cream, ribbon dental cream. It's basically toothpaste, and it says something about Buddy must have a girl because he's taking care of his teeth. Nice one here, $15. All the way up to 1956 for this next one. It's another 2-page ad. It's for the Indy 500. You can see it's for Firestone tires, and there's a bunch of the race cars through the years and the winners of this very famous race. Took a best offer on this one for $16.99. And now for a couple of postcard sales. This one was nice, $20 on this one from the 64-65 New York World's Fair. You can see it has a royal dancer, the Burundi Hunters, and from the Africa Pavilion. Very nice sale here. I knew it would sell. $20. These next two went to one buyer. Each one was for $8. It's from the 64-65 New York World's Fair. This first one, it has, you can see the scalloped edging, the Fountain of Planets Nighttime View, sold that for $8. And then the same buyer picked up this one as well, same World's Fair. This is the Johnson's Wax Pavilion, also for $8. Daytime scene there. And now, just because it's a little out there for my store, but just to show everyone that it's not just ephemera here in Jiminy Flip It Land, this one sold for $25. It's a t-shirt, a Star Wars 4XL t-shirt that my wife got for free at her job. They have a table in the lobby of the community she works in, and it's basically just up for grabs. It's stuff that people don't want. She bought or she picked up, I should say. She didn't buy anything. They were free. But she picked up a couple of these t-shirts, and I sold this one for $25. I think the large size had a lot to do with it, and of course, you know, the whole Star Wars thing. What's nice is this particular shirt predates the Disney acquisition of Star Wars, so it just says Lucasfilms Limited on the tag. So really nice, basically a free item, $25 on it. All right, and finally, to round out this video, we have a Jimmy Buffett CD, a greatest hits compilation. $12 on this one. I listed this right after he died. He just recently died, and I got $12, which is good money for a used compact disc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the content. Share it out to your friends. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. We'd love to have you aboard. I'm doing live shows on Mondays and Fridays throughout the fall and winter, and I hope to see everyone live on those shows. Please check out the channel for lots of new content coming your way, and I'm going to continue listing these 100 a day because it's doing the job it's supposed to do. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.